Hello everyone, welcome back to MetaKit. In this video, we're gonna learn how to import or open your images inside Photoshop and also how to save them. So without any further ado, let's get started. So we are inside Photoshop. There are multiple ways in which you can open or import your images inside Photoshop. So let me show you. The very first way is to go in Files and then click on Open. And then choose the image which you want and hit open. It will be imported inside Photoshop, just like this. You can import multiple files at once by this method. Is go in Files, Open, and then hold CTRL and left click on the images you want. And then hit open. It will be imported inside Photoshop. Or what you can do is just drag your left mouse button, like hold your left mouse button and then drag it and then click open, and it will be imported inside Photoshop. As you can see, all the three files are imported inside Photoshop. So this is the first way of importing the images inside Photoshop. Now let's delete these files to import it again with another method. So the second method is called dragging and dropping. So just open Photoshop and then go in the folder in which your image is, then drag and drop that image inside Photoshop like this. Drag and then drop it here and it will be imported. You can also import multiple images by holding the CTRL or just holding the left mouse button and dragging it and then dragging the whole thing and then drop it inside Photoshop. It will be imported, as you can see. You can change the orientation of this if you want. There is one very common mistake which most of the people do when they use this method is, let me show you what they do. So for example, if I have drag and drop this image here, it will be imported not separately but as a image inside this specific project, not a separate project. So to not make this mistake is to drag and drop it right here when it shows copy. Not here, but here. Let's drop it. And as you can see, it is imported separately. Okay, so let's delete this. And let me show you how to save an image. Let's make a few changes to this. So I have made some few changes to this, and to save this, go in Files and click on Save and name this whatever you like. I would like to name it Save Project. And hit save. It will be saved. Hit OK. As you can see, it has been saved as a PSD file. To open this file, the methods are pretty same, like dragging and dropping. Let's drag and drop it here. Oh, it has not been opened. Do you know why? Because it is already opened here. So let me close that one and then drag and drop it. As you can see, it has been opened and all the changes which we made are still there. Go in Files, Open, and choose this project as well, and we are done. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and families, and thanks for watching.